created using Powtoon.
In order to access the code review tool, open the browser and type localhost projects and sln2. Then it will open the configuration file. This is the one-time process. We have to give the remote instance name and username and password. If you click submit, it will try to download the files from the remote instance and try to save that files in our local system under the downloads folder. Now it started downloading the files. Business rules has downloaded. Now the client scripts is downloading. Yeah, client scripts are downloaded. Now open Sublime Text. This is Sublime Text. This is a new window. File, open. I already told that the files which we have downloaded is available under downloads section, downloads and demo. If you open the demo, we can able to see the business rules and client scripts. For demo purpose, I have downloaded only 5 files under each section. So we can see 5 files under business rule and 5 files in client scripts. In that index page, what we have given, it is available in the configuration PHP, that is username, instance, and which directory we are going to save everything. And this configuration XML will store the details about each file under business rule and client scripts. So this is a business rule. So I try to modify some things. Just I am going to add gs.info for code review purpose. gs.info, and I am adding testing CRT tool. And save that business rule. Also, I am opening one client script, set activity, and adding the line console.log CRT2 and save the files. Once these files will be now these files are saved. Geocode address is a business rule and set activity is a client script. So in order to find which files are saved, so modified file.php. This is the file which captures the recently updated files. So under business rule, this file was changed. Under client scripts, set activity was changed. So in order to push the code to remote instance from local system, we have to press submit. If there was no error, automatically these two files will be submitted to remote instance. Otherwise, it will show display the error. See, these are the two files. gs.info. This is the rule which we have created for our purpose, and console.log. Likewise, we can able to customize our things. Suppose if there is no error, just I command these lines. Yes, Lind, this is the file which we can able to write all our rules. For example, we have written snow rule, snow logs, row count, and snow row count for business rule. And client script also contain the same file, but it defines some other rules. Here it contains no console. So now I commanded the gs.info and add for testing purpose I am adding another one line, code review tool. Testing done. After saving it, once again I am running the same file, but now I am trying to check this one because we commanded the gs.info. Once the file successfully sync push to remote instance, then we will get this information, this message: synced files, geocode address. This file was successfully pushed from local system to remote instance. So once again, if you try to click modified files, we can't see the business rule because that business rule was successfully pushed from local system to remote instance. So if we check the same file in remote instance, we can see our change. We have added code review tool at the bottom of that business rule. Business rule, geocode address, see, these lines will be added from local system. Likewise, the delta part is there. If you click the delta part, it will check whether any new modifications done in remote system, if any new business rule was created or any changes made in the business rule and client script, it try to download from that remote instance and save in our local system.